There you go, PDF printed, double-sided, as you can see. How to print double-sided PDFs, I'll teach you that now. If it's a document from the internet, I recommend downloading it because you'll have more options. Actually, you'll have the settings here in a better way so you can print on both sides. Guys, it's noisy here. I'm near the avenue, so ignore the car noise, okay? But let's go. You downloaded the document, then you open the document here. Second step to print double-sided here on the PDF, you're going to click here on this option, Print File, which is the same as Ctrl-P. Some people think there's a difference, but it's the same thing. Ctrl-P or clicking here, it's the same thing. Right, now look, we need to analyze a few things here because here's the thing, I have two printers here where I am now. This printer here is HP, it's a big printer, I'm going to show it to you in a bit. In its case, setting up double-sided printing is easier. If you have one like this here, you'll just come here to Properties where we have print on both sides here, you'll click and it will turn on. And then you'll set it to print, it will print normally, it will print both sides automatically. And this process happens there in the printer. But most people have a simpler printer like this Epson here. And in this case here, which is probably your case, you'll have to do a configuration. Which is also here, look. Next step, you're going to click here on Properties. Check if it's right here. Here is A4 paper, vertical, the color you're going to use, whether it's normal color or black and white. Check these basic settings. But the other step you're going to do now is this here. Look carefully. Double-sided printing. You're going to check here, manual long edge binding. There, then you're going to click OK. Don't forget to also check here if everything is right, the copies you want. Check the document here properly, but after that, look, you're going to click to print. I'm going to show you on the printer now how you're going to do it. Let's go. The second part of the video here is this. Look, here's what you're going to do now. You're just going to take your sheet here and you're going to flip it the way I'm doing here. Okay, you're going to put it here. This is a part here that many people have difficulty with. Adjust it properly here. I'm holding the phone at the same time. Then you're going to put it properly here on the sheet. The other big printer I told you about is this one. Once that's done, you're going to come back here to the computer and look at the information we have here. You're going to click on this option here, look carefully, resume. Let me just adjust the sheet here properly, just right. Now we're going to click here on Resume and it will automatically, as you can see, start printing the sheet here, right? This printer is a bit slow, but it prints properly. There, I printed the sheet here. Okay, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments if I helped you. I also just ask you to leave any questions in the comments. I always answer everyone. And look, I'm going to make other videos about this printer topic here. I'll leave them here at the end. You can watch them to keep learning about printer printing and clearing up your doubts, okay? See you in the next videos and see you later.